Imagine a tiny, furry face looking up at you with a permanent, beaming grin. This is the quokka, a small macropod that seems to have mastered the art of pure joy. It's been called the happiest animal on Earth. But have you ever wondered if that famous expression is actually a smile? Stick around, because the secret behind that iconic look and the surprising truth about how they treat their babies might change how you see these little critters. Scientifically known as Cetonix brachyurus, these short-tailed wonders are actually cousins to the famous kangaroo and wallaby. In 1696, Dutch explorers named Rottnest Island after mistaking these locals for giant rats. Rottnest literally translates to rat's nest. Though this island is their most famous home, quokkas also inhabit the dense green forests of mainland Australia. Living in the thick bush, the quokka is a master of the night, emerging from the shadows when the sun begins to set. They travel through the undergrowth along narrow paths they've cleared themselves, acting like tiny forest engineers. Unlike their hopping cousins, quokkas are surprisingly skilled climbers, scaling small trees and shrubs to reach the succulent leaves they love. They are social creatures, often found in small family groups. A gathering of these furry friends is uniquely known as a shrewdness of quokkas. To survive the dry seasons, they store fat in the base of their tails, a built-in snack pack for when food becomes scarce. These herbivores spend their days munching on grasses and sedges, recycling water from their food to stay hydrated in the heat. There is a persistent myth that quokkas throw their babies at predators to escape, but in reality, it's an involuntary muscle reflex that ejects the baby from the pouch to ensure that at least the adult survives. So, why the constant grin? As it turns out, it isn't actually because they are laughing. It's a biological feature that helps them pant and keep cool. Even if it's just biology, their smile reminds us to protect our wild spaces. Subscribe to help us keep the world's wildlife smiling.